it because it ain't got the things on it. Okay? Hold this, Dad.
Huh? Help me.
Hold it. Just hold it for a second. Okay.
Put it back down.
Got it.
Someone put the pin in the wrong way over there. Okay, pick up on that front end just a little bit.
Where?
Underneath the front right here.
Done?
Yeah, pick up again, please.
You started so fast.
You ready to move it?
Okay, you ready? Okay, grab here.
Yeah, that's pretty heavy.
Ready? Walk.
I can't. I'm connected.
Hey, Dad, come over here and connect these lights.
Huh?
Unconnect the lights.
Yeah. You look at me. Ow!
Get him?
There's a player over here. I don't fit.
Come by it.
Jack's over there. That was there, and that was right there by the box.
You put it on this bar?
Yeah, right. Pull up one. Like that. Pull up one. Don't pull on here. Right down. Nope. Right down. Don't take your hand off the other button. Pull this one time. Pull it.
It went up on
Push on that.
Frame, push on the frame right here. Hold on a minute.
Wonderful life of not having a lift. That's how the Greenhorn Hillbilly Race Team has to do it. Stay right there, Dad.
Huh?
Tell Dad to stay right there.
Stay right there.
Okay, jack it up. Left down a little bit. Stop right there. Okay, stop. Back up just a little bit. Okay, stop right there.
There you go.
Where's my ratchet?
There's a ratchet up there.
We'll run a tap through this one. Know that?
Put the delta, put the jar just a little bit on the front seat.
Not yet.
Straighten it.
This is just a pain in the ass one here.
That's why I say put the jar in.
No, it needs a tap run through it. Okay, Kel, jack it up.
Get
Just a little
the
tension
block
off
on
of it.
there even.
Go ahead.
Tighten the handle up a little bit. Ho, ho!
Stop. Let her down just a little bit. Right, stop. No, jack back up just a little. A little more. little more. Right there, stop. I'll tighten it, you gotta tighten it. Okay, now jack it up a little.
Jack it up?
No, right there, leave it alone for a minute. No, be careful.
Up or down?
No, I just gotta slide it back. Hold up.
Oh, there goes the video. It's on 2 wheels.
Yeah, hold on a minute, Dad, hold on!
Oh.
You got the jack?
I got it. Wait,
Let it down a little bit. Let it down a little bit. Okay.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Tell me when to stop.
Come on.
Down all the way.
Pull jack up. I'll get my clutch out of it tomorrow because I'm gonna take all that with us. You know what I mean?
Cody plays tomorrow night.
Yeah, I know. That's what I mean. Tuesday, I'll have to do it Tuesday. You know.
Yeah.
Dad has to get that part.
Is the trailer fixed and ready?
Yeah, trailer's fixed and ready to go. I got that fixed and ready to go. Tell Dad I need a pair of side cuts. You know what pair of side cuts are, do you?
Nope.
Tell Dad I need a pair of side cuts.
I need a pair of side cuts. Side cuts.
What?
Side cuts.
Side cut?
You probably would have called it something else if I would have
Is that
known.
what you wanted?
Yep. That's a side cut. That's what it's called.
I've never heard it called that. I don't know what I've heard it called. but-
Okay, it's like a pair of pliers, but see?
Yeah, if you would have said pliers,
But
I'd
no,
have
but you
that.
know, because you got needle nose, regular. See that? That's a side cut. See it?
Yeah, I see.
That's called a side cut. That's what that's killed. Called a side cut. Man, oh man. This shit's killing me. See how my tools are all nice and shiny, you know what I mean? They're in the right spot.
Where are you going to put it? You want me to take it in your room?
No, let's do it. Okay. Wow. There's junk.
That throw out there, right?
Yeah. Other junk. Huh.
You have 3 of them on your shelf in there.
That's a brand new one though.
But I'll tell you what, I ain't even got a 3/8 12 point. Unless they're back here and these stuff back here.
Whoa.
We've got 6 points.
You got issues in there?
Yeah, I do. your broken arm.
Get rid of it.
Probably from coming up and slamming down on the door. I think someone just walked in.
Huh?
So I think someone just walked in. Todd did.
Just me.
You didn't happen to bring that heavy ass thing down there, did you?
No, but I brought the pistons.
Hey Todd,
Hey, what?
check this out.
What am I inside the car?
Yeah.
Just like that's in there on the. Let me get out of the way.
You're fine. Think you got an issue?
Yeah. I think you got a big issue.
Broken arm, didn't it? Huh?
You sure did.
That's why I'm trying to get everything out, because then I don't have to pay shipping on everything, because I'm going to North Carolina, so Tyler can drop everything off for me. I don't have to pay shipping that way, you know what I mean?
Take the flywheel too.
I am fine with all of it, boy.
Just bolt it all back together and
Take it with me. Dude, that thing's only got 5 races on it. Feel this thing. That was brand new. Remember when we put it in? That come with the kit. Feel how bad that thing feels.
oh, that's junk. That's junk. Take that with you too.
What time I need to throw it back. Oh man. That could have been some of my problem there.
That could be a lot of your problem. Not just some, probably most. You know, I've
broke more shit this year.
well,
So since you're all critical about all of our videos, here's the pile of shit that's gonna outrun your ass in Superstock next year, right here. Put this pile of shit in the car. Junkyard special, right?
where I bought it from.